First, we're going to talk about the law of detachment. So, first thing is, if the hypothesis of a true conditional statement is true, then the conclusion is also going to be true. So this would denote P implies Q. So if that's true and P is true, then Q is true. So an example of this is if two angles are right angles, then they are congruent. So this is a true statement. So if I'm given the idea that C and D are right angles, that's my red part right here where I've got right angles right there. Now I need to make some conjecture based on this second part, then they are congruent. So I would say C and D are right angles, therefore then angle C is congruent to angle D. Based on this statement, I'm able to say that angle C is congruent to angle D, knowing that information. And this is the law of detachment.